Next, part 4, conditional statements, if, else. Number 1, bus fare system. Ang hinihingi natin kay user na input niya is age, tsaka destination zone 1, 2, and 3. So, fare is equals to 0. Kapag yung pinili ni user na zone is 1, ang fare niya is 20. Kapag 2 naman, ang fare niya is 30. Kapag 3, ang fare niya is 40. So, else, print invalid zone entered. Final fare is equals to fare. If age daw is less than 5, ipiprint niya is free ride. Kapag yung 5 daw is less than or equal to age or less than equal to 18, final fare niya is equals to fare times 0.50. Print final fare kung ano man yung makalculate niyang final fare dito. So, if age naman is greater than 60 daw, final fare niya is equals to fare times 0.70, print final fare, tapos kung ano ulit yung makalculate niya. And else, ganun din kung ano yung makalculate ng final fare. Next is GPA to letter grade converter. Ang hinihingi natin dito kay user is mag-input siya ng GPA niya. So, if GPA is greater than equal 3.6 and GPA is less than or equal to 4.0, ang print niya is A. Kapag yung GPA naman daw is greater than or equal 3.0 and yung GPA is less than or equal 3.59, print B. Next, if GPA is greater than or equal to 2.0 and GPA is less than or equal to 2.99, print C. Next, if yung GPA daw is greater than or equal to 1.0 and GPA is less than or equal to 1.99, print T. So, else, print F. Next, ATM withdrawal validator. So, ang hinihingi natin kay user ay mag-enter siya ng withdrawal amount. So, if yung amount is divisible by 100 and yung amount is less than or equal to 20,000, print transaction successful. So, else kapag iba-iba yung nilagay niyang number dyan, ang ipiprint niya is valid amount or exceeds limit.